Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. For the first time, watch the channel, subscribe. You know what I mean? And we have a lot of things that come forward. But here what? Remember, said the treasure hunt still on this month. Months won't end now, you know. So this month is 20,000. The 10,000 gone already. You know what I mean? So remember, looking at it for the numbers, them 4 numbers in each movie. Right in the comments, you can comment as much time as you like. Give you more chance to win. Alright? Yeah man, enough respect man. Watch a movie. Let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Curious King, JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. Let me tell you about this girl. She was skating on the ice, flying round the whole world, living life so nice. She was a virgin, but not anymore. The cat gone through the door. She gave someone the opportunity, yeah. And that's how she lose her virginity. Yeah, 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 yeah. Her friends tried to pressure her, but she never listened, no. Said she wanna hold it for the right guy, somebody who won't tell her lies, someone who can lift her up to the moon and the sky, not just some little shy guy. She said she wants a bad man from the corner, someone who rub out them hand with the marijuana. Said she wants something rough and unique. She was a virgin, but not anymore. The cat gone through the door. She gave someone the opportunity, and this is how she lose her virginity. Yes, she was a little bit shy, but her friends was more dry, so they would go and do the business. She will not go with them. She set her own trend, but she have love for a bad boy. She will never give no love to a good boy. She says she wants a bad man from the corner, someone who rub out them hand with the marijuana. She's not a virgin anymore. No, 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 no.
Yeah, girl. Up on my father. But girl, I want to ask you, when did I lose your virginity? Did at? Eh? I still want to lose my virginity to girl, but I don't want to do it with try. So, girl, remember I said try a Christian, him too soft. I don't want a soft man, I want a bad man. And plus the bad man, them have money too. China no money. Be a cheat chicks and bag juice him feed me pan. Yeah. Someone do it to girl. I forgot about my virginity. Yeah. No, sir. Where the girl? My son call her. My father call. Yeah. Yes, daddy. No.
Alright. Yeah, no. My father, you know. Your mother said you come down here as a virgin. And when you left here, go back up as a virgin. You see me? You see the little boy? As you see one new girl about the place. Then start look them. I know say when them breeding, you know, run gone left your belly, you know. So me know want that happen to you.
Alright. Every time I see me come and talk about things, yeah, me tell some one man.
So you know what I hear about? Alright, thing I tell you.
Alright.
Me get this me give a man. So later I come back my road and go back up here. Alright.
Me one man, ready for man. No what you tell me about. No what you tell me say. Man me one right now, no what you come and tell me. Yeah girl. Now my father come to me a while ago come and talk oh me come down here as virgin, me go back up as virgin. And that me want to know too. I don't know what I tell me. My father and him can't sleep with me. So me have to take man, me at 18 now, I reach the age I'm ready. Look how long me I hold out. Them for lucky say, I hold out till me at 18. Some people take them virginity from them at 15, 14, 16, go down. Yes. You can come down here, girl, and help me. Alright. Yeah, later.
Hotness. Hello. Antibody. A minute now.
What?
Man, I watch your microphone on the road.
NSC, what you mean?
NSC. Me them call wickedness around here, you know.
Yeah, bad man.
A wicked man. We run off the turf for them black them man or something.
That me like.
That you like. Love more and love it still. So where you go?
You know, say me I go run with my friend yard though.
Something look leaky though. So we can chill out for a while. When we can see her again. Can I pass back down here?
Yeah, don't out there so my father live. Me have to stay with him.
Father.
Yeah.
Who responsible for your father still now? You want to get to know about, does he?
So I hurry up and give me number from my father pass.
Sound quite alright. Put the booty up in your stomach.
Wait. I know me daughter that. Okay, come here. Where do you go?
Hey boy, what you do?
Oi! You try to shut them out in my daughter. Don't go up in here.
Let me go now, no. Me don't know what it is now.
My girl, I want you.
Auntie, little girl, come out the house, come sweep up the front part of the yard. For a man, me left there and say a bit. Jesus Christ! Auntie! Jesus Christ, my baby, cute. Oh, God, Father. What scream, sir? Alia! Awa! Jesus Christ! Alia! What was the auntie? Jesus Christ, auntie, give us what it got here. Hello, you mean little girl killer? Hey, come out! Me don't want my fingerprint on him. Wait, Jesus Christ! I don't want him to kill himself. Yes, baby. Jesus Christ! The auntie, Marga, get up! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh God! I want to see now, yeah. Oh, Jesus, no one pay no one. Alia! Oh, he's guilty for killing himself. Oh God! Oh Jesus! Get up, ever call the ambulance. No. Get up! Yep. Oh God! Oh wait! Oh Jesus! Hold on! Wait, somebody. Hold on, me have a feel for. Hold on! Oh, Father God! Oh Jesus! Whoa!
Didn't he really kill himself? No, man. I'm gonna call Angel. Because Angel wants to know something about this. I don't understand all this little girl first get up and kill herself. Hello?
Hello?
Angel,
Yeah?
where you there?
Can.
So didn't you really kill herself? No, man. Didn't you can't really kill herself? No, man, I'm gonna call Angel. Angel must know didn't kill herself, bro.
Hello?
Angel,
Yeah.
where you little girl?
In your country.
Listen, go somewhere where you alone there.
Me alone there, so I know.
Angel, if you ever know, say, DNT killer, if you ever know what happened out here,
What happened?
me, then I'm a room, I'm here, DNT man around there, ball out. Something got show a man in there, because they don't see them love big man in the yard. Anyways, when me here now, when me go on there, big ball out, so I said, no man, that I can't want man that I deal with that in this system. Alright, DNT kill herself.
What?
What? Yeah, go on like you never know. You never know.
You never know.
Or you never know.
A long time me and them to not talk. Me never know.
A long time you don't talk.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, listen now, you need to come up because me not understand.
Yeah. No one then she would have cut her wrist, but me never know so she would have killed herself. You sure she killed herself?
So Angel, me not sure. You want to come look for me? Me not sure, Angel. Come here that me don't want people kill themselves. I'm gonna just get up this man and want shout and ball. You hear that little girl?
Yeah, but that surprised me. Me never know so she would have
It
done that.
surprise you. When you not take man, it never surprise you do. You must know, you know, I mean, know you know something about
Me
about the
not know
incident.
about her death.
You don't know nothing about her death. So, oh, you never tell her man that she cut up herself. First she cut up herself, but man,
Me not. So
you don't know
that
nothing.
is-
Nothing you don't know. You don't even know you catch belly. Nothing you don't know, little girl. But that's a car.
No, me catch your belly.
Oh, you catch your belly. Oh, you catch your belly. That one, oh, you catch your belly.
See water.
See water. Little girl, you know you did it in front of me like you want lick.
So you ready to go? Where you say you go now? Me see ya walk. I come and think, but your mama don't call me already and tell me what I go on. You have to tell me everything. But I hope say you know go down there with the same principle where you go down there with make him have to send you up here, you know. See you looking at my face? You see you looking at my face, girl? I know say in your mind you are say a big woman, right? And you go run, you go do your thing them what you want to do. So me I tell you say I know so it go, you know. I know so it go. Your mother call you for go down, say I know you're pregnant already. So I don't think them can breathe you again, cause I think say if you give them the chance, they will try to do it again. You say boy nah mind pick me. Listen me, when me attack and I don't tell enough, you come up here, you chat. I tell you say when me a chat, I don't want you chat. You just listen. Right? Because if you are listening at the first place, you will end up in this pragmatic state where you're in and now. So, now that you're in it, you have to lay down in that bed, yeah, and do what you have to do. So, now you're good back down there. You keep it by your body. I will pass on the 1 and 2 times because I have to work all over the place. You know what I mean? Now you have my daughter already. And you say, yeah, carry grand picnic come and do it. Is it? But now go see if you eat ya and yummy or swallow it or ready if you do. You just carry the picnic come kind of ready. But you should have never done this pragmatic here. Because we do want you to lift up the family name. Hold it for land there, you know. Hold it for land there. Put your name, pan and bag of things and rare. But you don't know, you mash up it now. You mash up it. It gone bad. You understand? It gone bad. Way bad. You're pregnant and well, I mean, I don't know what to say. You don't know what to say. Alright, like you already, go on. Take your time and go on. Safe travel, pan the gravel.
And if you not drop in a one pool of water, you better you paddle. More than drown. You hear that sound?
Come here, my niece. Where you go?
Me I go down my mother yard because you didn't know say in I see him yard. Me and my best friend is like we sleep with the same man and she get pregnant too and she kill herself because of stress.
Eh?
So me I go down there to say I'm not funeral thing I go plan and go and me have to go still with my friend.
You know, sir, you know my brother Pitney.
Mm-hmm.
Your father, best friend, kill him. And your mother sleep with my brother and give him jacket. So you no feel him. You know that?
Yes, me know that. My mother tell me that already. She tell me enough times so my father did.
But your father friend kill him. So you sleep with my brother now and give him you, give him jacket. But he is not his child. You understand me? He is not his
Me
child.
know say me no feel child. Right, my real father did.
Yeah. So I saw the woman them go on and stay, give the man them jacket. You know, my brother not give none of the family land them, you know. You can live on it, but you can't get none because you have jacket. You understand me? Because the family land are for the family, them. Tradition going on. You understand me? You can live on it free, but you cannot get none. You understand me? I love you with all my heart, but you can live on it free, but you cannot get none of the family land them. You hear me?
Me hear say. But the land will leave, auntie. Look how far land the way back go back.
But you're a jacket. You're not a family member. You're a jacket. So we only get just for go and live. Go and live till when you can sort out yourself and get piece of land for yourself. But it's a family land. You're not a family member. You're a jacket. You understand me?
Understand what I say? You make me feel bad in a auntie. You see you love me, you confuse me.
I'm not confused. If you was a family member, hear me now. You see, if you was my brother child, you're free to get one island, but it's a jacket. We can't get no jacket none of the land. We have grand picnic, great grand going down generation. You can live there free, but you cannot get none because your mother is wicked. She give me brother jacket. So we only give her blindly free.
Me care brother last name. Me care film last name me have.
Tell your mother to give you the right name. Give you your right father name. You cannot get my brother name because my brother is an idiot. In love contain jacket. So tell your mother to get the right name. As me say, you can live free, but you cannot get none of the land.
Action.
You know I not like you way you talk to me. So me a come good on so. You know me no want bother me no bother want your house. Me go find different house than you.
Well, take care and God bless you. And take care of yourself.
Alright, later.
Wait there. You soon see me down there because I have some family member down there. So when we come down there, we'll see you.
Alright.
Take care of yourself.
Money is calling. Yeah, man. My sister, you good?
Yeah, man, they are cool out, you know?
Boy, I see you do a lot of work on the farm.
Yeah, man.
Can then look good.
Yeah.
Banana look good, but they're not ready.
They're not ready. Nothing ready. Nothing coming in it.
You see me daughter pass a while ago, did you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. She sent me some sad news. Say her best friend
Oh, yeah.
and alive herself down and she a good on her mother.
So she tell me to.
But you see life, she breathe, you know. And it happens say the two of them breathe for one man. But a whole time sitting them there, but we don't know he come back again. So now the youth no want to pick for none of them.
We are say.
Me, as a proud grandfather to be,
Yeah.
I will take care of my grandpicnic.
Anyone who want take, my brother take.
Yeah, man.
But
You do the same thing too. Before your grandpicnic.
Yeah, man.
What?
Me get to understand me, I hear a whistling bird I say, you know. And I hear.
I know my grand pitney.
No, I know your grand pitney. Well,
no, which you know the pitney go there now and raffle because how much pitney my daughter there, how much man my daughter when sleep with. Me don't know, me know my business that day.
Alright,
As long as
alright.
pitney come forward. Take it truth.
well, do your best what you can do, my brother. You
So
understand?
you're good though.
Yeah, man, me there, I look for my farm. Oh, it a come up nice, beautiful.
One day another week I go down on the grill. Go check on them. Right?
Me go forward down there, one of them there still. I don't know which day yet, but one of them there, them I go forward down there.
Alright, so me I head up on two different traveling though.
Yeah,
you know,
man,
me no
yeah,
travel,
man.
me travel different. Like
Alright.
a mystic or some travel
Yeah.
through the gravel. Me
Yeah,
just
man.
slip and slide through. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, me good. I go and take it easy as I look for my farm, as me tell you.
Listen, you remember Mass Joe? Mass Joe used to sit down and talk to carrot them to the
Yeah.
man. Hope you know, sit down up here and talk to the papa.
No, man, me not talk. Me not talk. Me a look.
Good sister down the road and mad out, you know, no
No.
bother with it.
Me not talk. Me
You
go look.
Go find a man chat to my sister.
Me have him on my yard already. Me just want to see how the farmer get come in.
But no, stand up here and talk to no
No,
banana
man.
tree and talk to the plum tree and then you're mad out.
No, man, me no mad.
Alright.
Alright.
So, me walk out on the
Yeah,
road
man.
to go see what I go on.
Yeah,
Alright?
man, take care of yourself. Till
Me
we
proud,
see.
me proud, me go say me proud in a one sense. But on the next hand, me not proud, but me proud on this hand here. Right? Is that right hand? No, me not proud on the right hand, I'm proud on the left hand. Because they say if the right hand off and chop it off. But what me I say though?
Yeah, man.
Me not proud say she get pregnant by somebody who no want her.
That's it.
Me not proud say she breed before she achieve something.
Yeah, man.
But me proud say she breed. Me not make sense. Me proud say she breed and go carry a grand pitney. So that sure say it's continuation of life itself.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah,
I will
man.
not encourage her to dash away.
No, man, that ain't our genes. That ain't our genes.
So me tell her, I say carry it. Right? You go carry your own burden.
Yeah.
Just like when your mama good on there and you tell her, say she mama good on there and mama skin out so and flip her out. When her mother push, you know, and who you tell she jump, you know, is a good thing, say. The ability blank card. Cut off.
So you will know that. So when the mother push him out, you fly.
The day somebody tell me.
Yes, I can go la, brother. Yes, I can
So
go
you
la.
push her out. So I say just do the same thing, man. Good on the open up and push out your pitney and come back.
You just have to pray for her, because the first one, the mama have 40, 11 pitney, so he can shoot you. She can shoot you to take a time.
Well, me tell her, say, my daughter, you are your own big woman now. You go take your thicker bush and now you go yam this sour grape and now you run your belly, you deal with it. You depend your own with that.
Yeah, man.
So bring the youth come naturally. I born a yard, you know. A yard.
Me know that.
You
Me know that.
Yeah. So me no want she me no want she have pick me up, yeah. Better she have it on her mama. Reparty then carry go to the hospital.
But then can run assistant with that month.
Yeah. Then a patrol here in the country and now fix it now.
Me know that.
So she need to do it close to the hospital, a stone throw away. So that means that she can just go to hospital and bring out the youth.
Yeah.
It's technology time now. Me say them have AI, then can call out the baby.
Not no go so, brother. Not no go so.
You know what you're saying?
No.
But some of my time people can fool you know, my sister. Me say some of my time people tell me to hear that, you know. Cause somebody tell me the story, say them have hair, you know, where they can call out the baby. Say come
look at them.
come out.
Me know you're a wise man, you know, brother. So you can't take them the foolishness so people tell you.
To me the technology.
But you think that not real, brother. That not real. You can't take them foolishness.
No. If it's real or not, if they say it to me, I have to believe some of my time.
You can't believe you have to see for yourself.
But believe kill and say believe cure.
Yeah, man.
So that me I say so me no know. So anyway, me I touch on the road. Cause night I come.
Yeah.
And me have to go make 1 and 2 move. Cause one woman on the road that tell me say she pregnant for me.
Backside right? Again?
Yeah, she pregnant for me. Nice young girl. And guess I know, me say this is suspicious because me I say my sister. I never got bed with the girl yet.
So the girl for pregnant with you, you never fear, you never got.
I my youth still. Come in now and kiss one night.
But what
Me
the
feel some
backside
man
is a
do
madman,
that.
I'd say.
Anyway, see you later.
Yeah, man, and look, you know, man, make sure yourself the last one I feel, you know. Where you say the woman pregnant, you know.
But
Because if you kiss, I can't feel.
well, me not, hey, me kiss under the moonlight. There's a moonlight, y'all breathe fast in the moonlight.
Brother, wise up in yourself, brother.
All right, my sister.
Yeah, man, next time.
One more for the week.
All right.
One more for the week.
Yeah, man. Yes. Okay. So you come back. Eh? Remember, you're your friend, you know. Come call war me, you know, over man, you know.
Girl, right now, me not want nobody over no man. You know, see me all pregnant too. Right now, a different man me I look for. Better man too.
So we're there. In breed you. Oh God. But baby look, I do not want him anyways. Me not want him. Me already are using for a little time.
You? Me know that boy then no man can use him. I never use him, man. He gonna do the same thing what him doing.
No me. You check not say you and your friend breed. I know me. Me are only one in a breed cause what? Cause he could get for breed me. Tell you already, me not want him. Me use him. And like I want to idiot girl pick me when they with him.
But see how you call idiot?
So what's we call
No,
idiot?
sir. You
If
did
you
remember
wasn't-
say you did that with him too. You know say you idiot too.
No, me there with him, but me use him. You know. You make him man breed you. You make him man breed you. I want to tell you so when you tell him say you're pregnant.
Girl, don't laugh still, you know, but in tell me say I never want it.
You tell me say don't laugh, and me don't want to laugh, but
Girl, right now, me not have no time to fight over no man right now. Cause see there right now, a pregnant me pregnant. Right now, a better man me I look for.
you see same thing? That fish showing so na idiot and na no sense. And nowadays time, you know, woman fi start use man nowadays. Man na use woman from when breeding them left and then turn around and say I don't for them pitney no and tal or nothing. That's how fi use man. And by the way, I never him one me they have to.
So how much man you do you have, so?
No worry about say how much man we they have. May have them I use, but plus they richer than him still. But I heard him just there chopping for a little time and then left him. Cause although me did left him. But still, I'm sorry for no. I don't know want to go war me over something whenever I want to.
Them man that we are use soon know if you do with you.
No for do with who? Nobody can
You-
know if do with me.
You never know until say woman a use man, woman we do to man. You never know.
Did I notice a woman a beat man now? I know man a beat woman.
Girl, them man them, I don't think I can beat them.
So your friend there?
Boy, she kill herself, you know.
Same thing, no father God. What she kill herself for?
Because she pregnant and everybody don't pan her and a cuss her and top link no want to keep it me.
Jesus Christ, have you some mercy.
All me know me I bring for my pitney and me not kill myself.
You see when the young pitney nowadays. Well, the young, come forget to me a young one. Oh no, what do people nowadays? No, sir. So she really gonna kill herself. Oh God, I feel bad for her. Sorry if you hear that, Stills.
You don't look like say you feel bad. You look like say you are laughing at your mind too, you wicked.
Oh, me wicked. Is the way how you wicked can take up and say, whoa, when walk and go fight over man. Know yourself. And look how close on my niece and never left back. I will take them come give you.
You brighty? Girl, me no want nothing
You
from
feel
you.
glad that somebody vlog your sinting little girl.
Watch ya? Girl, me work and mind my pitney. Me not take nothing from you. Me prefer make my pitney walk naked before me take nothing from you.
Okay, have a nice time. Gonna where you go?
Angel.
Me not deal with you, you know. You can't make my friend kill herself. Me not deal with you.
Me? Make your friend kill herself?
Mm-hmm.
But with that, cause your friend leave you and me step on the phone good. You can't talk about.
I know me not deal with you too. You see you not mind the pitney.
Who not my rich pitney?
You say so.
No, me not mean it like that. You mean
Yeah, you
mind the
mean
baby.
it.
How pregnant you know me? Wait a boy. I mean, if
Then
you
you say
friend
you not mind the baby for. What you say that for? You say that to my friend make she kill herself too, you know? A lucky thing say me tough, that's why me not kill myself
and
too
that
already.
me really say, I who know I pray that they way there. You see me? How me if you say that and I me pregnant you? See your friend tell you
Me sure me not there for that me here. But that me here.
You know you're good at me for clean out the ears and me not telling lie for your friend. I pay lie your friend tell upon me. That's why she go kill herself cause she.
My friend not telling a lie upon you.
How you
my
know that?
My friend not telling a lie upon you.
How you know that?
Why my friend would that tell a lie upon you?
Cause she want mash up for me in your life. You're blind.
Me not believe she go do that.
You can't see that. Sit to me, man. Stop talk about all she. See, she not love herself.
And you make she kill herself or she not love herself?
So how you not kill yourself? Yeah, like can't talk about your friend. Your friend. Me tell lie for your friend. And me do this boy your friend and me do that boy your friend. Look how much money your friend have. Eh? Your friend have
yes, so what? So you can't be father?
I'm for be father. Your friend have man all about the place. And let me tell you this. My father think when me they grew up. Say, oh, if you put your foot in a one nest, but how much rooster in a, when the nest they go have pitney. But I feel like I feel pitney alone in there. I none good in the fear. I feel them. A year look how much money in that. Me alone in a year. Hot fire. See me alone a plant my put in a fire and you know that. I come if you come go water the baby head right now and make you feel better.
Water which baby head? I say you not mind the pitney. I know you want water baby head.
Sweetie.
You say you not mind the pitney. I know you want come water baby head.
Sweetie, listen to me.
You make my friend all kill himself.
Your friend never no virgin. Your friend gone a road long time.
That no say. You still make she kill herself. That no say.
Who make she kill herself? I rest man make she kill herself.
No, you, me know her. Them man they can make she kill herself.
I must say, yeah, my virgin now me bust that the red plate there, you know, and put on blue plate. So no bother with that when time me ready for water at the head there. Okay? Bother with that. I'm not gonna talk about no friend need to have man all boat, left, right, up and down, chuku, run a bush. But then all can rest. You can tell me about your friend. You should have wake up back and kill all himself again. Here?
Don't say that about my friend. And my friend not say that about her. Don't not do that.
Yeah. Let's go. I'll be talking in and I'm tell you this. See next place me buck up again. And me tell her say water the baby head. I know why you talk about now dead. Okay? Your friend no love her life. A good one and dirty man them can't kill him. Here, cause then you say my cheat and then every man can take cheat.
Go on man, cause how you kill him?
I talk about kill. Here.
How you kill him?
Answer. You come out of virgin state is just a go on now and weird. No, you get stuck cockatoo. Wait till I go. Hey, took it for you. Don't talk about friend, and me kill friend. If you kill a friend, I'm not busy with your friend. Your friend is busy with herself.
My friend care about herself, or you kill her? Sure. You make your courage catch me, you know?
Courage, I worry about. I put on a yard, we can.
I have to go rub some alcohol on it, yes. And my skin has scratched me.
Or Dettol. No, not
which Dettol?
Peroxide.
You can't put Dettol on skin?
I mean, man, peroxide. Wait to catch it.
All over my foot, them. You know, see them bump up.
One son up on my property touch. Come in, they can't clear up when they good up. How you feel?
You never feel good.
I feel again?
No.
Yo, you dead friend I think about, you know. I know you think about a dead friend after you don't get this, you know. Stop ramp with me here, you. Try look. You're like happy.
So matter of fact, how are you gonna name me baby?
Baby? Chiquitita.
How can I name that?
Or Watapella.
You don't have a foolish.
First of all, let me tell you this. You like content boy your friend every minute. Now. See next time boy your friend. Remember, me tell you something. Done with you today. No joke.
Good night, Mimi. Good night, Miss Big Woman. Where you coming from?
gonna stretch my legs then.
You gonna stretch your legs them. You gonna stretch your legs them. So you want more stretch for going on this year?
No. You can't do that.
I can't do anything I want and I need my roof. Yeah, so where you come from in the hours and nights here?
You sit up and you can't be done.
What's that link? What's
You
that
want
link?
me pregnant for?
Look girl! Come in here, so can you feel like it? People want to neighbor them at hear me now. Okay. Angel!
Yeah?
Angel! Angel, who give birth to you?
You.
Nothing like for me, who? Me don't know who give birth to you, girl. I must find a bed to the hospital, let somebody go take you up after. Because you could never be my pitney. You could never be my blood. You're the foolest, yummiest picking in my family. So what on? After the man abandon you, right? Then you go to Greenfield. Oh, you need to have no ambition. Give you one bedroom in a bush. Bush, little girl. After Maria's you. So what on? And I bush and breed you.
No, hotel.
Hotel.
Nice seat.
Hotel.
Nice.
Hotel in breed, Angel.
Nice seat.
Angel, you know, I will lick on a picnic at the hotel, you know? You know, hotel is a lick across your face, little girl.
You think go mind the picnic?
You ain't gonna mind the picnic?
Yeah.
So, after all of this time, you just want to mind the picnic? You just want to mind the picnic?
Yeah, he might apologize and say more mind the picnic.
Poor you. Poor you. Feel sorry for you. Please, very sorry for you. After I go mind the picnic, where money? Not get no money or nothing?
No. And then you say nah, but I mind the picnic. Something wrong with it, anyway?
Oh, action!
But after I came with guy,
Let's go!
but I went in Jamaica, Greenfield, before in Jamaica,
Hold on, Angel. Let me sit down for this one. Let me care, madam. I want one big head that make it go to. Come on, here.
Before in Jamaica, Greenfield Hotel in the
No Greenfield Hotel. Before him bringing on the bush them, yes.
Yeah, me go.
Yes, no ambition. You're not no ambition, a bush.
I know
Bush.
a hotel.
A hotel.
Yeah, me enjoy myself and I say cordial by me up.
But bush him bring a hotel.
Yeah.
Which part hotel then?
Me tell her why they already Greenfield on the side there.
Greenfield is there. Who's staff in there? Mosquito hands.
No. People like me and you.
Like me and you.
Yeah.
You notice Greenfield Hotel look girl can come make no sense. Bush. Bush is Greenfield Hotel. Tell me say the man bring a go Rio. Tell me say bring a go Travelers. Tell me say bring a go Roots and Bamboo. Wood stuff. Something, little girl.
But me can't tell her that kind of bring me them place there.
Angel. Come like feel pride and ambition there with your papa. You dead with him. Little girl, it will me disappointed tonight. She don't even know. Me never say this stop it, boy. I'm gonna tell you something. You see, if any DM here you're coming back, come tell me what no man because I know green. You see me never there breed, I will like kick him back to down in a little girl.
But I can't do that. Until you did that breed with me, if your mother never do that.
You want bet? When me a breed out of the my mother put me. Hold on.
What you do? You can't.
You ever hear them say you learn the hard way?
You can't do that.
Go to the door. Go to the door, man. And ambition. No, you know me can't do that. Come mother do me. Oi! Idiot! Come in! Go in your room. Put my back off your head. You feel lucky say me no want you like come mother do me. Boy, man, bring a girl Greenfield Hotel. And people in there like me, you like me look like an idiot.
Go long one day, sir, wait for you.
Easily, you know, my father's there with me if you're hiding.
She a virgin, man, make you go on like granny, some man. Come here, man, come here for release up some of your island, man. Let's go. It takes so long to come.
You like, hear me say the man in the house every minute him a question me and ask me where me I go. Make sure no man yard me. Me can't take him man, him a go like say him me fi take him.
Oh, you're like a leprechaun father.
Hello, I'm a father, but like this is
I know what your coach is, sir.
Come on.
Yo, me not use no lifeguard, you know, that may make you know, you know. To make sure you know that. times just as eat.
Oh, yeah, no.
Man, Kim, and at least we should have care about the face I read first day. Say that he can't come find it.
She said she want a bad man from the corner, someone who rub out them and with the marijuana. Said she wants something rough and unique. She was a virgin, but not anymore.
Yeah. But I like my love it. First time. Sad.
Next time going longer still, so make
Yeah.
sure you're not about stop. Or not quite busy. And this is but the check up like.
Chan.
You know these gonna get hot enough. Instead of this, you know, for the road, you know.
Whatever.
I don't want to see feel far and get dark out, you know. See,
Alright then,
yeah,
let's.
go there.
Yeah.
Look again. You are doing us. You know someone can barely pinch me and tell me sorry when I say that. By the way, where are you now?
I'm a friend.
You do a step sideways like a crab,
No, Daddy.
How much time if you want you? How much time if you tell us if you keep away from man?
I'm a friend.
Oh, where are you now go? Oh, you're trying to let me reach up in the yard before you know. Go on up in the yard, you know. Wait till we come up there, yeah? Wait till we come up there. Young man. So you have my daughter, you know?
You know, so elder me that and two in a nothing and my little friend.
Yeah, me know. Me know see no man and my daughter talking, because my daughter a virgin. So me know I see her no run no man.
And I'm all pre my father, man. I see me just help her with her homework them sometime because you know, every time see her be here.
Homework?
Woman look like you gone out, gone look and sit me, you see it.
Come on, you know business about that. Me know I see around my daughter.
Alright, well I you have to tell her that then to stop come around me, you know, because maybe I see she come from my ends and tell me so she love a little help them when I give her.
You know I see no man around my daughter, brother.
Alright, my father no disrespect still, I see it. You got yourself.
Alright.
You have a nice daughter, you see me?
Thanks for your complimentation.
Yeah, I need to deal with her a little bit more soft, okay? I rough her up too much, you see me?
Oh, so then if she not hear me, them the rough talking she forget.
Alright. I'm gonna pray for you that anyway.
You just know want to see her around, no, man. Because she a virgin. And she not ready for no man yet.
Alright. I'm gonna pray my father.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright, take care of that, you see me here. Yeah, I can't talk about virgin. That guy's not a virgin anymore. We don't pick a charity already. Should have seen me run at me.
The cat gone through the door. She gave someone the opportunity.
Angel.
Yeah?
Hello. Look, girl. I don't understand you. You see, when you come up from your father, you start, like you go down there, go pick up them careless attitude. All you in from man and the bed door spread.
Did I do rather something?
What you out there do?
Did I wash my clothes then?
Did I wash your clothes then?
Yeah.
So from all you come up your father, why you don't wash your clothes then?
Me did a cool off first. Remember say a farm I come from.
You see you little girl, you go down there, so go pick up your little dirty attitude. The little nasty attitude.
Me not get an attitude.
One thing me have to tell you, you know. One thing me have to tell you. Because me know say for your mouth and for you, I open up good to go around off your mouth and talk where you never talk. Say, because you not come and show my plans, you know. But as all me I train you so hard. To come share me with everybody. Come make me proud. You end up with belly.
But me a big woman, me a 18.
You're a big witch man.
So you not look no way for me.
So if you're a big woman, why you underneath my roof? No, if you're a big woman, why you underneath my roof? Because the big woman supposed to push them who and kill them who on door.
Not everybody.
Don't me box you down. Don't me box you down. You shame my little girl after me thought, dear him, dear out. Me tell you about man and watch it. Now you reach up with bell. What the man there? God left you. Where him there? This is the same thing what me I tell you about. The same thing. Remember what the day when me have a conversation, you tell me, oh, it's the same thing. My friend, man, take her up and this and that. And I tell you, say, pussy and down and they say, look, you is a perfect example of pussy and down have the same look. You realize? You realize?
Then I saw life go then.
Look, girl, don't want me licking at your face. This is what I want me eat it for you. Only thing I have to tell you. Come I know it. Rasta turn it up your face now. Only thing I have to tell you. Make sure you know good on this. What tell Rasta say. Him and your father. Cause any other good on go tell Rasta that.
Me not tell him that.
Make sure you hold your mouth. Cause don't feel like I see me going to take care of this, you know. You go have to find work.
My father don't tell me say I'm going to take care of Pitney.
But what your father? Your father dead. That's a foolishness. You don't say you enjoy your jacket. You don't say Rasta black or you brown. I show Rasta have money. So me pin your pan him. You don't say oh Rasta black. Rasta can breathe anybody? Listen to me. Look girl. Don't piss me off. Don't let me ever hear you coming at me. And your father when you're the pan ready. So they're in my house. And your papa dead because of same friend. And watch your friend breed you. Friend make man breed you and watch your friend go and kill herself. So pure carelessness. From one to another. Pure carelessness to what I own the palm. Pure dirty lifestyle. Please come spread the bed. I'm not talking to you. Or reverse spread the bed. If your friend kill fear herself and me have to move out of my nice house. I come live in a one bedroom, let me say I share with you. And you still want to keep in a dirty? Look a girl, you shame me. From the start licking with that girl. Girl? Alright, P2I, but anyways, from the start licking with that girl. You, when you have Angel, you change. Because that's how me grow you. And that's how me raise you. After me spend much money, try training at school, they become police. Watch it now. Belly don't tell the age. You can't even you have dry shit in your bottle. You can't even buy a tissue. Man God won't let you. No, me stuck in a one bedroom with you. Me have your opinion for a wrong man.
So mommy, I hope you not done the money what daddy give me, you know.
You still
Coffee buy me the everything them.
You still talk about father. I want to tell you say. Don't call him a father in here, and you poop off. You can't talk about money. You know how much stress and problem. I was convinced, never convinced the Rasta man say him is your. Yes, him. You know how much convinced? I'm going to tell you something. Go find a baby father. They said that the money there, I pay me use if I pay this a human year. If you finish pay the month in that coming in the home. You understand? So listen, you and your baby father go find that way out. Don't come and any woman ever hear call a Rasta man die again. Watch me and you. But dead. Him dead. You understand now? Spread the rest of it, baby. You can't even do nothing more good. But you go skin out. Angel after me train you for how much age, they tell me say you're a virgin. Virgin with belly? Angel? Virgin with belly, I never seen nothing but me, so I don't know what I'm saying they come here for. Look, girl. Jesus.
Mommy, me did virgin, you know. A one man me sleep with. Me must say me no money, you know. Me no money like how you used to money. And tell you my age, your money.
Oh, that is very nice. One man, right? Yeah. One careless man like that. Because which party man I breathe there? When there? Come here, Raza. Come here. Let me tell you something, look girl. Who you talk about money?
Sorry.
Money. No, you who don't have no pooper. Know that. I know money. Rasta would things inside your pooper. Listen to me, little girl. Let me tell you something. I better your money. I don't know who your baby daddy. Cause you should even have sex, Angel. Angel should even have sex. You should have me pro. You know see me struggle with you. Me I talk to you, look for me. You know see I'm struggle with you as a single mother. Angel, me struggle enough time in on yam. Enough night, me not me go on my bed and me don't eat. Me come and make sure you eat.
But a mistake me make.
Mistake? Good girl. Mistake when you go out the road, go buck your foot. You hear? Something know why all of a sudden Jamaica make you look like say teenage pregnancy is okay. It's not okay.
Me a big woman.
Shut your mouth! Your teen is a teenager. You're a child. Know that. Jamaica make this thing and them people in a society and make you feel like it's okay to have belly at a tender age. You know what I'm going to
Remember Prime Minister they say me fi breed up, you know?
Prime Minister.
Remember Prime Minister they say world they shot up.
Prime Minister. So hold on. Angel. Go and go me for ask you. What about Prime Minister then when you're hungry? Prime Minister feed you?
No.
What Prime Minister then when you want baby pampers? What you know? Listen. You see tomorrow morning you're going to go to Andrew Wallace's house. And wait for finance. And
So
you're
me a find
Andrew Wallace, listen to me. You tell me if you breed, so now I breed. I mean, I have nothing to take care of, baby. I have no clothes. I have nothing. And you're going to make him help you. Since he's telling you to breed.
Daddy done say we help me already.
If you call that man daddy one more time, I shut your box. Angel, when you find out your jacket, you feel like you can go help him?
Yeah, because I know me make me a jacket. Are you?
You know you have to test my face? It's
Me do
society nowadays, no, and them big people here. It's when they're breed up at a tender age, them, oh, baby a blessing, baby a blessing. You can't breed in a poverty. You have to have your head by your body first. Know what you want for your baby future. And I said enough young girl go out and go take man and people think say, oh, and this and that because guess what, their parents don't have it to give them. So they have to go out there go take man and look man. Because parents nowadays don't realize say, if you have picking it, well you know one can provide for them and make them comfortable. Angel, I think I could suffer when me get pregnant with you.
But me I just 18, me not reach no weight. Me no know it can go on for me tomorrow.
You see that is my face?
That's your face,
You see that is my face, little girl. You see me a teenager, I'm pregnant with you. People, time change. You see me pregnant with you, me shrink a dog. People used to bash me and bash me mother put me out the door. All I do is put me out the door and say, go find your pooper.
But you did younger than me.
You see me living with your father? Friend, in next friend, this friend, that until friend make him dead. And from them time me I struggle with you. Struggle with you. From work to work, me I wash people drawers, people clothes, to my super roadside.
Maybe that one that did for dead, but the one we are giving now. Not ready for dead. Probably God said that one then I come mind me so him deserve for dead more.
Come out. Get up and come out. You see Uno picking like a Uno. My parents wish we never have Uno. Cause what I mean, after me struggle so hard, little girl, to make you grow up, God's cool. Everybody in the college, you come up with belly. And you tell me about Prime Minister, tell me about what you have baby and that. I'm going to help you watch. Upper Andrew Wallace, y'all, we are going to make you help you. Watch I see in your list. Oh.
Why God, me don't know what me do say.
What?
Me there,
You do your son.
me just go and meditate, you know.
Meditate on what?
Me just my mother up a yard and she not deal with me good.
My niece. From what day me come down here and I work on the beach. Me not see you. What happened? Me I call your phone and me not get you.
Oh, I enter me there wash some clothes, my phone did drop in the water and something, that's why I not work. Yes, sir, we are doing your son.
I pass through, me see you, so what happened?
My mother, I be a cause she a cuss me.
Where
And I
mother
deal
dey?
with me some type of way, that's why I come out as I come lead on.
Where is your mother?
She inside our house. Which one of them house then?
That one they up there, so cause just to my best friend did die. We no live down there, so again up here, so my mother live, she rent one house.
Well, me I go check your mother.
Alright. Wait, me I can show you, because you're not going to know which house. At that door there. Just go in and just knock it.
Who that? Who is that?
Hello. And an angel auntie. Good night. Yes. Can I come inside? I want to have a word with you.
Good night, mommy.
Good night.
I'm not still.
I don't know if by the time they have no money can lend me.
I'm going to come and see me little niece out there. So I probably see you and in some problem.
What's the condition? Angel?
Yeah?
Hold on. Angel is all over my life. Cause when you're not in the house, I come just moving out.
The niece just show me. Come in and see her on the roadside, sit down and cry. And she died.
You pass the angel outside the road and sit down and cry.
Yeah.
Which part of the road pass the angel?
Right out on the road.
Watch me an angel. Let me tell you something. Me train angel to become a police. Angel gonna take up big woman ship and breed. Angel not allowed to breed now this a house here. Me a talk to her a while ago. She will come imagine. Your brother send her down here. Sleep on the bed last night. She get up, door spread the bed. You see the house at night now? When me call Angel a while ago, she out of the door still got a cool breeze. From mine. So I tell her spread the bed. So I say it's a vex bows. Me I talk to him but he belly went cat, he guts. He go tell me say, oh, I just want to tell her to breed.
Listen me now and listen me careful. Let me tell you one this, I'm going to tell you this. Oh, you sure say Angela for my brother?
So hold on, I don't know who my breed for.
Oh, you sure say Angela for my brother? Eh?
Angel is for your brother.
No.
It is
Jacket again. You give my brother jacket.
Listen
Jacket.
to me. Don't tell me.
Angel father died, him friend kill him. You go fling up where you have, whatsoever you have for my brother and say, my angel father. No, not angel father. And you know in yourself say not angel father. You know in yourself says not angel father. So just don't talk about no granny and no what's it and no what's it. You have to go and look for angel granny.
You know what you're talking?
Of course, me have proof.
I'm going to tell you something. What the proof? What the proof? I'm going to tell you the people who know, but love to chat foolish this rules in the life, but they're foolish this there. Mama, you don't want this.
Look here, you see girl like you, love give man jacket.
You
never give brother no jacket. No,
everything you have to do in your yard. You come on my yard, come tell me about this jacket.
Let me tell you something. Don't give me brother no jacket.
Your brother want it, say go take it.
No, go take it now.
Let's see.
You're not gonna leave it.
No,
unless
you may leave this situation alone.
But don't leave it, come
all right, I know that. Mama be you don't know me, you know, me have links.
I say you don't know me. Cause you say girl love fling your body and give man jacket. I'm sure says not my brother child.
It's a brother child. Call him out, see what he did and ling and right and this and that. Right and die in the hole. He never knows say you're gonna feel.
Look here, I'm money you want, girl.
In money.
In money. Do you know you have money? That's why
I spread my legs, him got to pay.
You want the bet?
Okay, you want the bet?
You ever take a DNA?
One tap DNA. Listen. One tap. I'm gonna tell you something. I feel like say uno. I come mash up my plants.
It mash up long time cause jacket.
Don't worry yourself.
It mash up long time cause a jacket.
You tell me come here tonight, come tell me.
And that me come to tell you say no, stop give me brother jacket.
You know what me?
I don't care, it's not.
Links.
One thing me have to tell you say. Me see Angel and me and her have a conversation.
And to say, you tell her a long time, say, my brother is not her child, our father dead. You see the land of country, we are try to develop, to divide it, to give Angel fear peace. So that we get to understand, say, Angel is not my brother. So we have to tell me.
Angel tell you that.
You don't tell her that already and
Angel
she tell me that. Me the
Don't
confront, but no, Angel
Don't
tell
worry
me.
on yourself. Guess what? You see, I'm gonna be a mommy. I'm gonna be a see. If you want a bad man, check me. If you want bad man, check me.
Look here.
I will make you more lock and care up, but don't worry yourself. Pick, leave me yard.
Look here, girl.
Leave me yard.
Stop, give me brother jacket.
Come out of me.
Whether you ever go
Come out of me yard.
I'm mama be me name.
I'm pick me name. I'm pick me name.
Love the man jacket. You never own it.
You now your brother now live.
You broker. Well, look for Angel, daddy.
What's me and Angel? Let me talk color. I got murder. I got spice. He said, "Go get in there now." I got murder him. Mommy, how your auntie a question now? Angel. Yeah. Angel. Yeah. Angel. 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 What me do? Me don't know me. Hey, sorry, they me push on to come.
See, you know, if you pick out your problem,
Yeah,
you don't make you, I don't make you no close.
So, look girl, because I'm a dancer. I want to know right here. When me tell you your poop, I'm say sit on the bed. I'm say na gaya fall. I'm say na gaya fall after you.
You stay down there?
Stay down there.
Yeah.
Because of why?
Me did pregnant.
Okay. Oh, you forgot on your father go tell you. Your auntie say, me tell you say your jacket.
Me? You never tell her that.
You never tell her
Me go tell her say me know, can you tell me all the while say me father dead.
Oh, if you tell her say you know. I feel it me. Angel go. Angel. Oh, yeah, but I will tell her that was a night. So make people think say, oh, me put you out and me a bad mother. Your auntie just come in here and wanna go and tell me say you tell her say, oh, who a jacket and who a this.
Me never tell her say
Oh, she says so. Me tired of you now. Me tired of you now. From one to another. You gonna catch belly? No. No, you want mash up my plans. Look, girl. I will keep. Come on. I will really cut the gut out of you, girl. You know me, I will come out of me house. You want mash up my plans? You see how the woman down here, mama be, if she ever feel like a step. If she ever feel like she gonna mash up my plans. Let me go do that. Jesus Christ. Let me go get ready to come on and push the tail fire.
What I want you?
right now I be sitting me and go through. I know every minute my mother cuss me and I beat me. Me don't know if you say man, be things me I go through.
Oh, yeah. That the thick one there. We have a big breast.
Yeah, I'm my mother.
Right. The want that boy. The kind of mother we have. That's just so what you say now that.
Yeah, me have to free my mind because I can't stand in the same house with she. I stay in the same house with her, come like say me I go mad. I can't stand in the house with him.
Oh God. I feel sorry for you. I really truly feel sorry for you. Because you go through in your life. But anyways.
If me the
Hope you don't plan for the same thing like your friend do, you know?
No, sir. Not because me I go through local stress. Me don't know what can go on for me tomorrow or next day or another day. Me at 18, me don't reach nowhere yet. Me not really reach nowhere yet.
Not that true still. But my girl, why not just look for work or something?
Me I go do, me I seek, but me not get none yet. Me I seek for work, but nobody not like really want me to employ, but me not stop search.
One place there in the girl town, them a look workers. Yeah.
You which part in Niggertown?
It's supermarket where down there when you're high low. Yeah, them a look workers down there.
Me never did check there because me did a dirty so they not go take me and then sit there. Me have to go check.
They will take people. Yeah, me have to go check. Thanks, you tell me still.
Oh, come. Are you that either way?
Alright.
I'm sorry for you what happened to you.
That's how it go.
Yeah,
That's just life.
wait on your friend for now.
Alright.
Although, what do you have nine I pass still, so I'm make you say I pass because I'm not a bad person. I'm not keep up things with people.
Okay. Anything still.
We can check in our morning still, okay? So me I can go down there go check out the place.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No man, for me to start it long and no man.
What go on, brother?
Where are you late?
I know step on the beach I made there go and make some money. Go and also make some money.
US money.
Yeah.
Me tell you about it long time in about so my time I'm afraid to come down in my place, yeah. So what go on, sister?
Why me go check your sister? You go check your baby mother, you know.
You check my baby mother?
Yeah, cause me see her, you look at that up on the roadside, me I pass through and she don't look so pleased, so she direct me so me go check her, but
What do I know?
the lady the man, the woman the man, I go on, but I know my business, you know. I am her business, so I'm not gonna know if I work it out. Just
Oh,
pass
but she
through.
abuse my daughter.
Talks a little something about pregnancy and them thing there.
Oh,
So.
but come tell you, you know. Remember when you're pregnant one night time? I feel vomiting and be weak feeling. But tell my daughter, say, it's normal, man. She go have up days and down days, man.
Yeah, man.
But me there go and do some work, you know. And I'm not I tell them something about it. Because I
Okay.
don't have time for that now.
Yeah,
Because
man.
It's when I work on a brain work.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Yeah, bless her. Other side of me I come and now do. Other side of me, I same argument. Yeah, man, the same argument, the same thing, man. But me I forward though. Yeah, man. What call me again? This man come one time. Alright. Yeah, man, that's some more than one thing I do done. Two more people that tell me some, yo, me don't know. Oh, me have to make oh, this a boy I get so much pitney.
But right now,
1 week me sleep with this a girl and now and tells I'm pregnant. Stop!
look at no man, you have to start out your life, you know.
Hello, you see when I time them, me go have to pick all over the whole place, my opinion everywhere. Cause as me there that girl said them pregnant. There that girl said them pregnant. There that Pitney. Me run out a name now. Me run out a name.
So look at no brother.
Me, so them pregnant.
You need to check out your daughter. Cause if your little lifestyle she not comfortable. So you have to go up at the mother and deal.
This your time, yeah. When so much woman that tells them pregnant, me can't focus on that now. She reach age and now she at 18, more give her strength when the time right.
Yeah man.
But for now, me have to focus on the younger one them.
Yeah.
Anyway, you good though.
Yeah man.
I just say give you a link, cause me there in a niggle there. Me no want that niggle myself, that niggle me and I don't touch base. I say, right, you good though.
Yeah man.
Me I go back in so I go finish up.
Yeah man, me just a pass through and go up on my ends and all
Alright, so you good down here though?
Yeah man.
All
Big
right.
up.
Yeah, my family left for me, cause
Yeah, man.
big down here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, them up for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh girl, I tell her, see what Barbados? Over there, me did there. Over there, nice. Girl, me I tell you, even though I miss me daughter and so off, but boy, foolish, she never so foolish. She'll kill herself over a man.
I'm glad to see you clear your hips still. Because when I hear the situation, boy, I feel that way and I say, well, I look up picking away while I grow. And then me I say, when I hear you say you get a work over there, I say, yes, she can go over the girl. You know, boy, I fear things, you know, because if you ever know what happened, Angel, auntie come here, come tell me, say, Angel, tell her, say, oh, she had jackets. Fear things at my house.
What? You don't know, say Angel a jacket?
Girl, I know, but what help Angel? You know, sister belly Angel catch.
Well, I'm not busy with that part there, you know. Next thing again, I think so I find one like a man over there too, you know. Nice man, nice.
So how you go Barbie, let's go work and you find man already.
Girl, you see, even though money where them pay over there good money, but you see like a bank manager get and then the money you get just to sweep the road. You see? Just to sweep the road.
If you open me back on them work there, if you send Angel over there, you don't know?
No. Exactly like the amount of money. Girl, me tell over there, I don't know normal place. Somebody nice. Say at the club party, come to a club sometime at night time. Just to take you all.
Understand.
Into business and for me. But girl, by me reach us, I forgot everything. You know, forgot to know, but when you start drink and start enjoying yourself and party with the man them over there. I best believe, you know, me and I go and I get bigger cheaper than go them over there. Over there. Me make a visa,
yeah, but that's for a long time.
I think I want to come back out there and live, I swear.
Too much memories.
I think so I go stay over there and go and work and, you know, work for myself and if all the dainty they alive, me would say, yeah, me I take up dainty and so off, bro. That's fully stressed me out right now. Fully.
Yeah, but me said doing it, girl, but you have to do it, you know. And so me have to go walk one and me have to go send Angel she go find something. Me have to get go think about Prime Minister till I breed.
What the hell? Me still sitting there growing in a song there, make a vibe, you know, full of TikTok with you know. But no, Prime Minister has send me go breed, sorry.
Girl, me have to go, when me say have to, me have to go send Angel go Barbados. Cause me tell her, you know, I be your problem Angel will give me. I true me don't want to put her up on the road to streets. Here, I true you don't know. Angel will want to see a big woman for she come from a Rasta yard. Big woman she will want to see a big woman. I tell you that girl, I tell you that, you don't even know. So my daughter still.
Even though you say you don't want she call in and you don't want to see her and this, how you pick me and then you want to pick me. But yes, what you do years ago, you should do it. And I couldn't tell say Angel a jacket. Angel no look nothing like the rest of man. Nothing like him.
But I remember saying no Angel father did. So if Ras can take care of her, I'm going to take care of her.
Say no so one day I'm going to find out.
He must find out because Angel run off her mouth. Angel run off her big stinking mouth, them shall find out. That's why I want to run away. I didn't even know after I have so much plan, girl. You know much land the rest of man have. Him just set Angel for life, you know. But Angel chat too much.
And she not use that so.
Me tell the girl, dog, go country run off your mouth. Auntie come here and tell me say Angel tell her say man she a jacket. Me for run out she.
So who auntie she? How she so enough?
I Rasta sister, you must see big
so
sister.
So what she do?
Girl, she must say she a done some work on some beach. And she Angel power with a ball. After me tell the girl come and tell me no oh. Prime Minister telling say if you have baby, I mean not to Angel. Angel go like this man and beat him. Go up a road and sit on a ball roadside. And then some fed up, me fed up at Angel, me fed up.
I like that style like. She should do better man.
Better. She don't even know.
So what are they still have got?
I'm feeling about it, Alan.
Alright, my back home, it's coming on, go it go. They might go see it, it go start through and remember she young.
Right now, I don't even know. Feel me, I feel making dash rebelling, but
no,
it's too late.
Do not do that. You never dash her. Don't make she dash her first try. Just find somebody. You see, true, if you don't make people chat in our community, make she stay somewhere until she have baby and so on.
I must say, I just move, come and say,
yeah, I know that. So, I say you have to stay with her. Nobody does who know you up here, so.
Otherwise, some angel will walk and give me information in family. Telling auntie, say, oh, I don't say, I say, Angel can't chat and can't, girl, if you ever know I born me today.
So you never sit her down and talk to her and tell her if you not tell nobody where they
Day in, day out. From before Angel come back up and I say, Angel, listen, are you me have to move from around there, so don't come here so the same foolishness and watch you. In the if it just come. I don't know where I send him, I don't have to find a mental issues. I have to talk to her. Angel
who to go talk to her? So if me the face said Miss Dainty is good 2 shows and she got breed and Angel the next one, me buy 2 of them like head now. And then she go kill off herself for one man, you know. See how that man there? I said nothing. Nothing me not say.
I don't say come boy the place.
Why make you come for that place?
Good night town though.
I know. Where you stand for, look boy?
Heavy.
Look boy, where you stand for?
Actually, I don't see Angel from how day. I wonder how I go on if I send her away or something.
Where you want to see Angel for? Yes, I send her away. I send her go and pooper. Can you mash up Angel life or Angel future?
No, I don't mash up Angel future. I just love see her around here, you know. She decided you wanna look perfect together.
Yeah, are you breeder? So me and she and the baby. Me and she and the baby.
You can't go on, sir.
I don't know, I don't understand how Angel make dirty football like you.
Yeah, nobody with that.
Walk football like you. Give her a bicycle, you're right. Angel make you breeder.
Nobody with that. Nobody with that. Here, got to listen. Alright.
What is that alright? Oh, no matter if you work so you say you breed my daughter, abandon her. Breed my daughter, abandon her.
Nobody with that. Head.
You have to take care right. You have to listen. I don't understand. You see how me come out and clear my head and I walk peacefully and you stop me. But as I see her man, I want to go you, you know.
Stop me. Nobody put money like this. Here. I will need that to sit down and chill. Mommy never did it.
Sure, I raise your goat. Look boy, look how you see me short. Remember say me a big woman feel.
Stop me, woman. You calm yourself in the man. You need that to calm.
No, mommy, me can't never be a mama. Any old me your mama, I would have lick you. Here and lick.
I love that. I know if I didn't move me, that's why you're round and nice and look.
Listen, you don't tell second time you see me, you stop me. I'm never one again. Do when you see me, look boy, don't see me and stop me because me is not size. I could have be your mother. I want to lick you, you know. Come on, mama. A police me, I go bring for you next time.
Slap up your body look. Some more Angel body looking at the future in a year. Make sure you grow that way there. Oh, that's me really come down in town, man. Oh, fuck.
Like, yeah, my best friend now, you know. So like, me and your friend come from one day we are really sick.
Yeah.
And me I say, me and your real friend now. So you don't know no man that can feel the baby pan. Cause even though me get it look over that alone now go can't support me. So me want look who idiot man and me can't feel the baby pan.
Idiot man to pin baby pan now.
Yeah, if you are use man then me not can pin man pan baby.
Well, I'm gonna teach you how to go pin them stills and pin them pan baby pan them stills. But either why that a come to your head?
Because me I go want look a man by me side. Remember say Emmanuel me be fine now take care of it, you know, so me I go want look a man by my side to help me with the baby because I look a work, you know, make no sense. You know, make no sense. That's what I know the can't support me with the baby. I remember say my mother in a business again.
Yeah, remember that. But still, yeah man, we still can't find somebody for you.
So me I go tell her a secret, you know. You know what you tell nobody. You're stressed, you know what tell nobody?
Yeah man.
Alright. See Rasta?
Hey.
Him man my real father.
Here.
You see that my mother they find out that she pregnant with me?
Yeah.
My father did kill by my best friend. Yeah, and my mother did have Rasta tattoo and she just pinned me upon him.
Yeah.
A whole heap of things you say about him, say him an idiot and him a fool and call him
Good night, my daughter.
good night.
A story time. A story time this.
No,
What you just tell her, say, cause me a pass, I'm see you know. I'm say, alright, me a come over. Come greet my daughter, cause me done here enough. I want them, me done here enough. Go out on the yard, you know, that again. Everyone be search, me can call the phone, me to your phone, me get the phone, but here now. It's like a jar. Say I have to walk on the street and now. I don't on the beach where I come from. Cause I go try get a tourist, get a white woman because you know me and the woman then and get along. But now me learn something. You mean to tell me say you know say a jacket long time? You and your mama can bind because no way listen up. A good while come on and say you know. Me a pass and some come to come touch you if you say yo my daughter make a, but it's a good thing to touch you because you start confess. Confession is good for the soul. No, you know say
oh,
you
no, me a confess.
no, you are
But the real question is, you never know say never your opinion. Let's say in the favor you.
Oh, me
that
don't
me a
know
set
that. That you are set up. So you know.
By the way, yeah,
I
no,
know, didn't know she did threaten
Hold
me.
on, no.
Who
Hold
check
on,
me
no.
up?
My mother threatened me, say me not fit tell you.
Oh, so you and your mama, you
Me
know.
a eat
So
from her, me a
you
sleep
eat
on
out of
the
them
roof. Me not know
and
what
ya.
she can do to me.
No, listen now. So you're not afraid of me. You eat out of me and I know say you are not my child. You much long me plan to put a name on a country. Me so glad me find out today.
So, you find out that this one in your opinion, so the rest of them we have out there, but they don't say them on their opinion either.
Me have to go check and know. No, me have to go to check and do DNA and NANTY. Me have to check out everything.
That's why the people didn't call it jacket, man. Cause you're full of jackets.
I would have one ya.
I'm a friend
Are
this.
your friend this?
But then
Me
you
new
spread
friend.
a road.
But even now, I have someone different. You go get the thing then.
You don't love them a fear.
fear.
You don't love them a fear neither.
But me not care. It better me give it to them who wanna know, but you know and willingly enough to sit down with your mama. Come on my yard, me I take care of much ears. And know say you know mine and you know say it to me.
Well, as one me did say she did threaten me. Me a eat from her, me a sleep on the roof. Me no know
This
she can
is
do me.
where everything cut. Everything cut off and yes so. See it I chop off. Stay for me. Everything you have on my yard up so. Send somebody if you
Lord
go take it. You dip on your own. For now. Remember say. Me I go down go write you name out of everything. You need to change your name.
Oh no, me, I'm my mother do this.
Tell your mama say, me want back my last name. You hear me?
You can get it back.
Then tell the rest of people who want where you go break.
No worry about them.
So no, you're gonna go check.
No worry about them. But me say she no say no longer my last name.
Alright. Adam.
Am I really that? I really that? Your mother pick up.
Must.
I don't know, because somebody appear crosses are follow me. Everywhere I go crosses, peer bad blessing, peer crosses people. Then everybody start irritate me. Everything just rough. Life just not make sense. God, me I beg you. Everybody's a try to draw me out. One more time. Do me I beg you. Come on, can't believe I'm Angel will catch belly. Everybody just a piss me. Yeah. No, I'm to me, Angel. Me in your say I pray. I want him. Where you want to take up for Angel?
Just to me here outside I pray me and I want you.
So you all want something to me for pray? You want me to me. Angel, you bring down disgrace for me. Matter of fact, for you never promise you a thing. Or you not come to me come say nothing.
Oh yes, about that. Me and my friend they go somewhere and me and her did a talk and me did a say like oh top plate now go lie me baby. Me did want she give me one man so I can put it pin the baby pan and look idiot man. And then me and her start talking, me that talk to her boy. Yeah, and me did that say him a idiot man and sitting and say him a know my father and he come behind me and he hear. So he no bother give me money. He say me no fi come think to another dollar.
Angel.
Hmm?
Angel. What's time I calling him?
3 times.
What you mean by you tell your friend say you want man for pin something upon and fire here you a tell people say your name daughter?
Me and her just did a talk and we spark up a conversation and that just me didn't know say that will come behind me.
Angel, what am I doing in her life?
No.
You hate me? No, I'm really doing in her
How you
life.
treat me like you hate me? Me not hate you. I don't hate you. Me and my friend just did a talk and he come out of nowhere come here. Me never did know say that will come.
So so no one fire final. Who go take care of your neck baby?
Me no. You are coming to go for with me and my friend.
Angel, you don't want more far from time. I don't want to do no more regret. Excuse.
Alright.
Excuse. Jesus Christ. No man. So I feel the girl. I'm after OBR. Angel!
Yeah?
Come here.
Just tell me to excuse yourself.
If you're not going in the room, they pack up your things then.
Why?
No. You see things, I'm tired of you. Girl, you are stressed out my life. Government have to take you. Pack up your things. Just pack up your things then. Please, the girl, let's go pack up your things then. Make all the police feel later. Pack up your things then. I'm not going to do this no more. Shut up to go. Today, shut up to go. God, what am I doing Angel in her life? Girl, if I pack up your things then I call the police for you right now. Me don't want you in my house no more. I'm tired of you. You may come kill me now.
I'm telling you, man, and because you say no money, yo, I don't know
Listen to me now. Listen to me. And you make my daughter kill her for herself. You wicked boy.
How if you do that? How if you do that? I mean, you shouldn't even link with me. Me barely see your daughter.
You barely see my daughter?
Of course.
Me see her come out of my yard and me ask my daughter who you. And he tell me say Angel them family. You think me a idiot?
And her friend there, she make me lift up something for her.
Make her lift up something for who? Something for who?
I'm serious and me help her. How can I style him? You trick me and tell me foolish.
Oh, trick you?
So, eh?
Oh.
Alright.
So true your love after that your face, you could have get the mother too. And suck me reach you too, licky, but you want mother and daughter.
Yeah.
After you breed off my daughter kill herself over you.
No, you can't sing that. I don't know, joking me and tell me true.
Listen to me. They tell me one pitney, you take me one pitney from me, I'm a rat in your say, I'm so fine.
You can't do this, you know, me love my life, me want everybody waiting, you can't do this, you can't do this. The police are
boy, sit on one place.
Police are seeing you, mommy.
After my daughter kill her for herself, you come here and call where you have baby pan where you don't have no baby pan no way. I am dead before the baby the boy. You hear me tell the boy, you don't say you're can.
And if you know your daughter dead, what be kill your daughter? What your daughter dead?
Kill herself over you. You breed me daughter and make she stress out herself and kill her for herself. You!
Me breed your daughter, me even see how your daughter look, me even know my daughter no bump and me even know my daughter is right here. What be kill your daughter?
Sit down one minute.
What be kill your daughter?
You wicked, you are wicked dirty boy, you're drunk, you're wicked.
Your daughter wicked.
You boy.
Your daughter wicked, you
What
gonna
be
tell
that
her about
wicked?
me, gonna set me up, pass me about your own business and you gonna tell me what me gonna help him take up things I know, just never see you now.
My daughter can help him take up things.
Let me think
You
of
help
it.
him, yes, cause you breed off me that you are a wicked little coat. You are right in the say after that. Your boy, in the say you have a fuck.
You feel left me here, so you don't think I'm on the face?
boy, yeah. See me, yeah.
No.
Him, wicked boy.
No.
See me, me tell me if you want him, I can't.
No. No, Valentine, no. The lie man tell for me.
You bring my daughter.
No.
And then you bring her to Greenfield outside.
No. Me don't know any name, so.
Yeah, I'll tell her.
No, no, any name, so.
Hey, boy.
You kill so we kill him,
I can't even kill him.
No.
When you go kill me, my telling you suffer.
No, no.
Fuck my ass,
You know how stress that boy you put me through.
you talk about you. My one pitney dead, see you can hear me here.
No,
One
no,
baby.
I want for torture me now, dog.
You boy, you.
Hey, boy, shut your mouth. Don't want to shut your charging. Oh, shut up your mouth, man.
But please, me don't know me.
Shut up your mouth.
Poor friend.
You know what stress they put with you? Shut up your mouth.
Me what?
Ada,
Shut
yo.
up, shut up.
Shut up your mouth, shut up your mouth. Yeah, you feel like a prank push thing this? Oh. I think I don't want murder, you know.
Alright, yeah, it's so far. Making tell you now.
They know what stress I put a woman to. I want pick me charging. I want to the boy, man.
One pitney.
No.
You boy.
Shut up your mouth, you know. You've got to tape your mouth in there, you know.
Right in the same time, nobody knows where so. Abandon.
Idiot boy.
In a serious boy.
Oh, you find yourself. Oh, in the fire my blood. Oh, stand up like you have sense.
Where am I? Sit on this boy.
Water, please.
I'm gonna tell her this. You're gonna mind whatever you're that. What Angela doing?
Why your bank account?
Me mind.
Why you got
Give his number.
Shut your
Oh,
face.
don't kill him.
Girl,
Yeah,
step in your throat, you know.
What am I
Lock your mouth. Oh, if you got to my daughter, you know. Oh, you're gonna take care of that. What am I say you're gonna do?
No, take him down.
Shut up! Shut up! Walla.
Yeah, boy. You caused that. Shut up your mouth, deaf.
No, Alan, watch me, Alan. Shut your mouth. Tight, Alan. Tight. I like to light my fire in here. Girl, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Shut up. We gonna look for your back.
You come look for who? You come look for who? Shut up your mouth, you know. Come if you got to say I'm a daughter. Yeah. Angel. I'm a shut up your mouth. I'm a my life, you know, little girl. This Angel to everybody. This is a brief for Angel.
I never know say I saw you here.
Hey boy.
Shut up, boy.
I like him in there.
You say, my son, my say, my father, say, no food, no drink, my piece and shit for himself.
Get up and come out.
Go on out.
What is for them?
Oh, you can't want this boy.
What is for them?
Oh! Scream all you want to hear, nobody knows. You're a piece of shit for yourself, you know.
No that. Idiot boy. come, kiss me. Jesus Christ, I'm just not glad to you know, kill you. Come now. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna get my job. What didn't tie it? I want to know if I don't tie this. Jesus Christ. So make sure you know your body come. Come, get up, you're free now. Get up. Come. You can't manage your man. Come, get up. Man, Jesus Christ. Get up. Come, get up. Come, be sorry about this. Come, get up. Come, now, get up. Now, sit down back in our chair. For you go make me come catch you. Come, get up. Come on. Come on. Jesus Christ. Come, get up.
Hit him up. Oh, he let him out. He let out the youth. There? Action.
Where Angela come from? Angel. Girl, what happened? How may I help you this morning, Angel? Angel, I don't want to hear nothing from you. No, I don't want to hear from you. Angel, after you make the man breathe, you make your friend dead. I will tie up the man. You going to let out the man, girl? Listen, I'm done with you. Angel, come on my phone. I don't want to use my data. This one you ask today. You do too much. I must come to mash up my life. Listen, Angel, bye-bye. God, I'm sorry to give birth to that girl. Let's take a 5 years now, because I'm tired out.
That's your action.
I'm going to say action. Okay. Oh, that. Fire. You put me naked, I didn't remember saying.
No, because you know. You never ask me if me have money, you know. Or if me want baby.
You don't talk about.
No, me not just tell her. She must tell her.
Come in here. You ask me to come in here, you didn't even say good morning, you didn't even know I'm naked or something.
But Eva, me see you naked all the time. When I try to chat me with Angel, you were naked. But
you didn't chat me with Angel.
Angel tell me, say, me and her are a real father.
What?
No, she tell me, man.
Listen,
so,
Angel pick me. Angel don't chat about me, I don't see an Angel father.
No, but Eva, no. So what me do? I went, I saw on the road, buy her drinks, and then she left her mouth saliva upon the bottle. We bring it to a lab, and then we check it.
I don't tell me the DNA without you asking me.
No. You know, if I'm my people, I can do it. So now I realize it's not my people, but you were going on. But you were going on. The nice part of it now. It look like me rich now. Me rich now? Me not have to work again. Because I get a lawyer. And the lawyer said for the time that when take care of her, you have to go reimburse the money.
No, fire, oh God.
No,
listen, fire. Money there. Fire, me not have it. Fire, listen. Angel, you're been here to take care of Angel for years. Listen, I will not be a blonde.
I go get her money one night and a lump sum there. Look, can you see her and say you put her on? She said she the on the road, this is she has sleep. But anyway. One look you pick her up and now so she not so bad.
Yeah,
but you say no. No, what you said?
I'm a baby for 5 years, you know.
What me go do?
Please.
I go ensure say na pay money all that money one time.
Me not have none at all.
No, what
listen.
Find the next man, people.
Please.
Find the next man.
Me not fool nobody. Jesus Christ, what do you do?
Yeah, man. They make it to the end. So we're there putting the work as usual, and Bad Boy and Virgin has come to an end, you know what I mean? So, but we're gonna enjoy it still, you know what I mean? And we have some different projects I work on as we speak. from when we are say we want to do some upgrade, but you know what Jamaica is, you know the funds is. So the money is a problem at all the time. We really end away from reach the full potential most of the time. So we are trying to work on that. But it's gonna be an uphill task. So as we go along, we fight the war, survive. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So give thanks and understand. But when son love the soundtrack, I will run it back. In the end now. So go and listen and stay tuned. See you at the next movie. Alright? Let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Curious King, JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. Let me tell you about this girl. She was skating on the ice, flying round the whole world, living life so nice. She was a virgin, but not anymore. The cat gone through the door. She gave someone the opportunity, yeah. And that's how she lose her virginity. Yeah, 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 yeah. Her friends tried to pressure her, but she never listened, no. Said she wanna hold it for the right guy, somebody who won't tell her lies, someone who can lift her up to the moon and the sky, not just some little shy guy. She said she want a bad man from the corner, someone who rub out them hand with the marijuana. Said she wants something rough and unique. She was a virgin, but not anymore. The cat gone through the door. She gave someone the opportunity, and this is how she lose her virginity. Yes, she was a little bit shy, but her friends was more dry, so they would go and do the business. She will not go with them. She set her own trend, but she have love for a bad boy. She will never give no love to a good boy. She says she wants a bad man from the corner, someone who rub out them hand with the marijuana. She's not a virgin